Hello? Yeah, yeah. Good. Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Balram, Durgesh, how are you, Balram?
I'm fine, ma'am. Thank you, I'm fine, ma'am. And you?
Yeah, I'm also fine. How are you in Rajasthan or in Chennai? Balram,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
are you in Chennai or in
No,
Rajasthan?
no, no.
Bihar, I'm sorry.
From village, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Bihar,
Bihar. Yes, ma'am.
Bihar. Yeah, yeah. Okay. How did you do your model exam today, in the morning?
Yes, ma'am.
How did you do your model exam today? I heard
Model.
that you
Yes, ma'am.
had
Fine, fine.
model exam. Correct.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
had your
Fine.
exams today.
Pre-university exam, ma'am.
Pre-university exams.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's model exams. They are called model exams.
Oh.
Okay. So how did you do
Yes, ma'am.
today? What was your paper today?
Yeah, ma'am. Fine, ma'am. Paper.
No, no. What did you have today? Which paper did you have today?
Ma'am, I can't
मतलब
understand ma'am, this
आपका
matter.
हाँ
So,
हाँ मतलब आपका कौन सा एग्जाम आज लिखा था?
B triple E,
ओके.
ma'am.
हाँ.
Yeah. B triple E. B
ना. B
B
triple E
triple
is
E.
your
Basic electron.
हाँ is your
Yes,
course.
ma'am.
Okay. मैंने पूछा आप कौन सा एग्जाम आज हुआ? आज सुबह कुछ एग्जाम लिखा था ना आपने?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, कौन सा एग्जाम लिखा था आज? एक एक पेपर होगा
मैम
ना आपको?
हाँ, यस मैम।
हाँ, आज कौन सा पेपर था?
आज बी ट्रिपल ई।
नहीं, ट्रिपल ई को तो इलेक्ट्रिकल, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स और
Engineering, ma'am.
इंजीनियरिंग।
electrical.
Ma'am, it's our subject name.
It is the subject what you are studying. Okay. My question was, what was your
Ma'am,
paper today? मतलब एक
Ma'am,
एक
basic
पेपर
it's
होगा
the
electrical
ना?
and
subject name
electronics engineering.
Basic Electrical and Electronics Engineering.
Basic.
Electrical
Electrical
and
अच्छा,
and
today's
electronics
Electronics
engineering.
Engineering.
okay. Today's paper was basic electrical and electronics engineering.
Yeah, ma'am.
यस मैम।
Okay, okay. Julie, Kumari Julie. How many marks was the paper? कितने marks का
What,
था
ma'am?
paper?
100
How
100
many
मैम।
marks was
100
the
मैम।
paper?
100 marks.
Ma'am, 100. Ma'am, it's
Okay,
about 100 marks.
the paper was for 100,
यस
right?
मैम।
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
Uh,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
see,
ma'am.
I'm starting the conversation from today's incident only. Okay, do you understand?
Yes,
We
ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
because
Yes, ma'am.
we
यस
are
मैम।
adults. We are not going to talk. This is the how you have to talk. So the way I start talking, you will understand how to communicate. Understood? So today's
Yeah. Yes,
exam
ma'am.
was there. So you normally we say today आज exam था तो ये मैंने लिखा था 100 मार्क का था exam paper ऐसे. So when you say that in English, I had today basic electrical and engineering paper. It was for 100 marks. Okay. Do you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
यस
ma'am.
ma'am.
यस मैम।
Okay. Then Manish is there. Manish,
Yes, ma'am.
how are you?
Fine, ma'am. and also
How was your week? Last week, how did it go?
ma'am, last week was not good because of here Holy Festival was in the last week, and
Okay,
also our exam started on same day on that
same day,
Holy. Yes, ma'am. The
29th,
same day. Same day.
29th.
Yes, ma'am. 29, and
Oh,
Holy Festival is also in also 29th March, and I could not
okay,
go Holi because of, and I am, ma'am, I am little worried about the exam. How was the
oh,
question and like that?
yeah,
Something
okay,
question are arises in feelings, and also after examination, ma'am,
uh,
I felt very happy, and
okay.
I celebrate Holi with Abir.
You
That is
played holy.
like
You
yes,
played
yes, ma'am.
holy.
That is, after examination, I played Holi with Abir. That is a dry color, and
Okay,
in the evening, because of our exam is started on 9:30 to 12:30. So that time
oh,
Holi, I cannot played with color. That is wet color like that, and I played with Abir. That is dry color Abir. That is a dry color, and I played that.
okay, okay. Manish, I just wanted to know what do you do on holy day other than playing with colors? कलर कलर्स के साथ खेलते हैं वो पानी डालते हैं या कलर डालते हैं इसके अलावा व्हाट एल्स यू डू ऑन होलीडे
Ma'am,
ऑन द डे
ma'am, on that day we are celebrating like the like uh, in even every house something is
या
different to food. um, खाना पकाना मैम खाना पकाना
हाँ
को क्या बोल सकते हैं मैम खाना पकाना
हाँ दे प्रिपेयर
yes
वैरायटी
ma'am.
ऑफ डिशेस
In
ओके
every family has prepared different food and like that
मनीष
something
मनीष
variety.
Manish, 1 minute. Huh? You can say the same thing. In each and every house, they'll prepare variety of dishes. क्योंकि उस दिन तो बहुत सारा बनाते हैं ना एक
Yes ma'am.
जैसे एक हाँ एक ही तरह के नहीं बनाते हैं तो variety of dishes बनाते हैं so you can say that they prepare variety of dishes on that day especially sweets I think no
Yes ma'am.
they
And
prepare
also
lot of
non-vegetarian, which family like non-vegetarian that is also prepared non-vegetarian foods like
okay they prepare non-vegetarian also yeah okay fine
vegetarian and non-vegetarian depending on family. How is that like, ma'am?
okay, okay, fine, very good. Who else is there? I don't know the names. Zahid Ahmad.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Zahid. Where are you? Are you in Bihar or in Chennai?
No, ma'am, I am from Tamil Nadu itself, ma'am. I am from Tirupati district, Ambur.
Where?
Tirupati district, Ambur, ma'am. I am from Tamil Nadu itself, ma'am.
Oh, you are from Tamil Nadu. Very good. Ambur.
Yeah,
You're
ma'am.
from Ambur. Okay, fine. Oh, you're now attending classes from home only, online classes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, where did you do your schooling? You
Ma'am, I
where
didn't
did you
hear.
do your where did you do your schooling? School எங்க
10th and
படிச்சீங்க?
11th,
Where
ma'am.
did you study? Where did you do
Yes,
your
ma'am. I
schooling?
have studied.
You
No,
studied
yeah, ma'am. I have finished my course in 9 and 12. Up to 10th, I have studied in Great Matriculation. That was a Muslim school.
okay. Okay.
And 11 to 1 I have completed in TAW, Higher
Okay.
Secondary School.
Okay. Then you joined this institution, right?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
course have you chosen?
BTech BA,
Which
ma'am.
course? Yes. BE? Which is your main? What's your main? Zahid, what's your main course? Zahid, can you hear me?
Ma'am, I think he has network problem, so
Okay,
cannot
okay,
follow
fine,
right.
fine. Any others who wants to tell how was your last week other than Manish, Balram, Julie, Zahid, and others? Come forward because I'm not today. I have not joined in laptop. I'm using a tab, so I'm not able to see you all. Who else is there? Then I have to call. Okay, Durgesh Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Durgesh Kumar. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Durgesh. How are you?
I am fine, ma'am. Thanks. And
Okay.
you, ma'am?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm also fine. Thank you, Durgesh. It was a wonderful week, but in Chennai it was horrible because of heat. We had the temperature ranging from 105, 106 and
Ma'am,
all we had.
here is
So
also
it was,
increased temperatures, ma'am. Here is a
it was,
very hot.
yes,
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
in Bihar. Are you in
Yeah,
Bihar?
yeah. Yes, ma'am. I
Okay.
am from Bihar.
But now I think the heat must not have started for you. Is it started?
What, ma'am?
How is the climate there?
Climate.
Ah, yes,
Ma'am, here is a here is a hot, ma'am.
very hot. The
Yes,
temperature
ma'am.
must be more,
In
no?
ma'am, like Tamil Nadu, Bihar, UP, MP, like the same temperature, ma'am. I am 40 degree, ma'am. 40 degrees Celsius,
Yeah,
like.
yeah, okay. Actually, in March in Tamil Nadu, it will not be this much hot. That the temperature is now. Recently, we had some heat wave. Due to that, the temperature was more actually. Yet to
Yes,
come.
ma'am.
The real summer is yet to come for us. I
Yes,
think for
ma'am,
you also
here
the
is
same thing, no?
temperature is not high because here maximum temperature level is 38 degrees Celsius like that. And
Ah,
in the month of May in Bihar temperature like rises to 44 degree, 45 degree, something like that, not above 45 degree.
Yes, ma'am.
okay, okay.
And
But
also Chennai has 48 degree, 50 degree like that. Very dangerous for a human body, man. In
yeah,
winter.
humidity is also more, no? The humidity is also more. And last 1 week we are suffering like anything. Uh, Hopefully the temperature comes down. They have told that
Yes,
temperature
ma'am.
will come down.
Actually,
Okay.
ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Durgesh.
Actually, ma'am, I have one problem, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
In last class, ma'am, you had told us, you gave us sentences, ma'am, whose sentences is
Yes.
correct. Yeah, but
Okay,
ma'am,
okay.
what happens to me? I can understand what's the meaning of sentence, but ma'am, I cannot fix the sentence. I cannot do correct the sentence, ma'am.
Okay. See, Durgesh, this sentences, no, I mean, the speaking of English, whatever we speak, no, many a times we think that this is sentence is correct. But very minutely, if you observe only the mistakes, we can find out. That you can overcome or you can find out the mistakes only when you start speaking to somebody. Okay.
Yes,
That is
ma'am.
why I told you here lots of videos. There are in YouTube, if you go, no, you can hear lot of videos which is giving us opportunity to hear. You put the
Mhm.
earphone and then listen to the sentences. Then you can find out what is the mistake and how to correct it. Okay,
Oh,
Durgesh? It's
yes,
only
ma'am.
by practice. Only a
Yes, ma'am.
practice will make a man perfect.
Perfect, ma'am. Practice will make a
Yes.
perfect man, which is
So
second nature.
you start talking. Now I feel, I'm happy that you people are at least communicating only in English.
Yes,
Whether
ma'am.
it is wrong or right, don't worry about it. Start communicating in English, then your English will start. You will get
Ma'am.
a better conversation,
Yes, ma'am.
communication. Okay?
I have supported this
Okay.
sentence because of we
Yes, ma'am.
cannot talk any English anybody sense like that. I talk in Hindi, so I cannot
Yeah.
speak frankly in English because of that time our language, speaking language, is converted into fully of Hindi. So I
Hindi.
cannot
That's true.
but if I speak in English, that sentence is correct or not correct, that is not manner, ma'am. That
That
main
is
thing
a,
is
see, Manish, now we are talking in English. No, this is what is needed. This is simple. You want to express something, don't go for your mother tongue. Mother tongue you always know, and you know
yes,
how
ma'am.
to express also. So if you start expressing only in English, then only you will come to know where you are lacking, where what words you will is apt for that sentence. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so start talking. Yeah, we are talking so beautifully. Your your English is good now. I can understand what you're telling. That is communication. That's all.
Yeah, yes.
What you have to convey, that should be understood by the opponent. Your lecturers or your teachers should understand what you are communicating. That much is enough, no? Because you will be having viva. You will have to explain what you are doing in the practical session, isn't it? And you will have practicals and all, no?
Yes,
Lot of
yes, ma'am.
then you have to explain what you are doing. Since you are studying in English medium, you have to converse, you have to explain in English. So you need to talk in English. Understood?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Today I just same last week we will just start with correcting the sentence. So now first I will start with Durgesh because
Yes,
Durgesh
ma'am.
was telling I'm finding it difficult. So the first sentence I'm giving it to Durgesh. Right, Durgesh?
Okay, ma'am, I will try.
Yeah. Done. John has been absent from Friday.
John,
John has been absent from Friday. Others, if you know,
since
just
Friday.
you
Since, ma'am.
have it. Yeah, very good. Who's that?
Since,
Durgesh.
since, ma'am.
Yeah, why do we say since?
Because, ma'am, Friday is no. About Friday is I know.
Points of time and period of time. Whenever you use
Yes,
point
ma'am.
of time, then use
Specific time. So
Yes,
since
ma'am.
Friday is absent, so the specific time when it is there, you have to use. See, Durgesh, excellent, very good, Durgesh. Okay, now next
Thank you,
is
ma'am.
Manish. Uh,
Yes, ma'am.
divided between the children in class.
Ma'am,
Divide it,
repeat
divide
question, ma'am.
it, divide it between the children in class.
Ma'am, the question is divided between the children in the class.
Children in the class.
In the class, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
children
same.
divided. Can you say that children divided in the class?
Ma'am, may I say
No. One Siddharth. Yes, Siddharth.
divided it among the children in the class, among the man. Between there should be among
Yeah.
Two
Why?
person
Why?
only use
Why?
can between,
Why
ma'am.
should we use? Why should we use
because
only among, not? Yeah, Siddharth.
ma'am these use the between only for two persons, but we are talking
Two.
about
Yes,
the
ma'am.
children. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes.
Excellent. Manish, that's it.
Yes,
Between we
ma'am.
use only for two persons when it is in the middle. There are two tables, and in between the boy was standing between the tables, right? But
Yes, ma'am.
children, when I say it is a lot of persons, so I have to use divide it among the children.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, fine. Now, who else is there? Yuvraj, Kumar Yuvraj.
Yes, ma'am.
Archana Kumar. Yeah, okay. Kumar Yuvraj.
Good
I
evening, ma'am.
didn't meet, yeah, good evening, Yuvraj. I didn't meet nobody.
Ma'am, I
I didn't meet nobody. Yes, you can correct it. If it is wrong, we will
may
go for somebody else. Yeah. Siddharth, please
I
wait.
ma'am.
I want, who's that? I forgot the name. Whom I called?
May I, ma'am.
Yuvraj.
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 Yes, ma'am.
I didn't meet nobody. It's okay even if you are wrong, no problem. Correct it. I didn't meet nobody. Say something, Yuvraj, then only we can correct you. Say something. Even if it is wrong, no problem.
I didn't meet
Wait,
anybody, ma'am.
Julie. Yes.
I didn't meet anybody.
No, I wanted Yuvraj to answer because many of you are knowing, but others also, I want your friends also to learn the mistakes. I didn't, okay, Yuvraj, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I didn't meet nobody is a wrong sentence. Instead, we have to tell I didn't meet anybody because did not is one negative. हम नहीं मिला है, ठीक है? So दोबारा ना मिला है. Two negatives we cannot use in the same sentence. So I did not meet anybody. Understood, Yuvraj?
Yes, ma'am.
I didn't see anybody. I didn't go anywhere. I didn't go nowhere, we cannot tell. Nowhere is again one negative. I did not is again one negative. So I didn't go anywhere. I didn't meet anybody. I didn't see anybody. Okay. That is
Okay,
how
ma'am.
you have to continue. Okay, fine. Super. Then
Ma'am,
Archana Kumari. Yes, Manish.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am,
Archana.
ma'am, can I say
Yes,
this
ma'am.
sentence?
Archana,
Nobody,
please wait 1 minute. Manish wants to say something. Yes, Manish.
ma'am, can I say the same sentence in this form like that? Nobody met with me.
Nobody?
Nobody met with me. The second form verb like that. Anything.
You want me to
Nobody.
tell any sentence with nobody?
मैम मैं किसी से नहीं मिला तो कैन आई कन्वर्ट दिस इन इंग्लिश लाइक दैट
Ah,
nobody met with me.
nobody met with me.
Yes ma'am.
That you can say because there is no negative. Only one negative is there.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. I met nobody.
Yes ma'am.
You can tell that. But I did not meet any nobody is a wrong answer. Two
Yes.
negative cannot come in the same sentence. Fine?
Okay ma'am.
Okay. Archana,
Yes, ma'am.
she is married with a pilot. She is married with a pilot.
She is married a pilot.
She is married? Yes,
She,
Archana?
no,
Yes, ma,
ma'am.
Archana. She is married with a pilot.
With your pilot. Correct, ma'am.
Correct. Okay, fine. Let me find out from somebody else. Sneha Sudhakaran.
Yes, ma'am.
Sneha, is the sentence correct? She is married with a pilot.
I think it's wrong.
Huh?
I think it is wrong.
Yeah, where is the mistake?
She was married the pilot.
Okay. I'll correct it. She is married to a pilot. You cannot marry with somebody. Understood? You can only marry to an engineer or to a doctor or to a person, right? To a person only she can be married, not with. So you have to use she is married to a pilot. She is married to a engineer
Doctor.
or a doctor or an IAS officer, somebody, right? You have to use to, not with. Understood, Archana?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now somebody else. Praveen. Praveen? Praveen?
Yes ma'am.
Praveen? Every student like the teacher.
Every student likes the teacher.
Yes, Ravi?
Yes, ma'am.
Every student like the teacher.
Like the teacher.
Very liked. You have to use liked.
Likes, ma'am. Likes.
Likes. Why we should use likes?
Just
Why
came
will
out,
we
ma'am.
use likes?
I don't know how to name. Just came out, ma'am.
Huh? Huh?
It just came out, ma'am. Like I see
Okay,
movies in
okay, it just
English
came
movies.
out.
We just
Okay.
hear from that, ma'am.
Actually, when we talk about every student, we are talking about one student. Each and
Yes,
every
ma'am.
student, every single student likes the teacher. So
Yes,
each and every student is singular. So when we use singular, we have to use yes. Only when we
yes, ma'am.
use plural, we should use like. Understood? Praveen, you
Yes,
are
ma'am.
correct, but learn why we are using S there. Because it is every student likes to write the test. Every student appreciates the teacher. Yes, you
Yes,
have to add S there.
yes.
Okay, fine. Very good. Now, Sumitraj. Sumitraj.
Yes, ma'am.
Sumitraj.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
He was boring in the class.
He
बोरिंग का
was.
मतलब पता है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, बोर लग रहा है करके. हाँ, he was boring in the class.
He was.
हाँ,
He was getting bored in the class.
he was getting bored in the class. Okay, to some extent you are correct. We cannot use boring because he was boring in the class. मतलब वो अपना he is boring, right? But the real meaning of the sentence is he is
Bored होगा.
getting bored in the class because he was not able to follow what is
Yes.
happening. So he was bored in the class, right? He was bored in the
Yes.
class. Instead of
Bored.
using he was boring in the class, he was boring in the class मतलब वो बोर लग रहा है, उसका लेक्चर बोर लग रहा है, तो he was boring in the class. Okay, yes.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
I'm sorry, so some problem was there. Internet, I think current went out only. Okay, Sona, can I have Sona?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, the woman which works here is from Italy.
What, ma'am?
The woman who works, sorry, which works here is from Italy. What to put?
I don't know, ma'am.
You are not able to understand? The woman which works here is from Italy. Any mistake in that sentence? Sona?
Yes, ma'am. The woman which works,
Which work? काम
which
करते हैं. Which works here is from France.
works,
Oh,
ma'am,
yeah,
works.
work.
WORKS.
Yeah, works. The woman which works here is from Italy.
Excuse me, ma'am. In place of which we say who.
Julie,
Oh,
I
ma'am.
want Sonam to answer because I think
So
Julie
sorry,
is
ma'am.
good, very good.
So sorry,
Okay,
ma'am.
no problem. But explain why we should use who. Because
Ma'am,
others
I
also
don't know.
can understand.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, so now you have to use the women who works here because women is a person. It's not
Person.
something which doesn't have life. Which have life. Okay, so you have to use the women who works here is from Italy. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood, Sonam?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the girl who works here is from Mumbai. The girl who's dancing here is from Delhi. Understood? Because they are the person who has the life. So we have to use who, not which. Okay. Yes. The next person, Ved Prakash Kumar. Ved Prakash Kumar is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Uh, open page 45 of your book. Normally in the class, teacher बोलते हैं open page 45 of your book. कहते हैं ना teachers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, even I have told the same thing. But now I understood it is wrong. Open page 45 of your book. Can you tell me where is a mistake? Open page number 45 of your book. Normally the teacher will say, अपना book खोलो, अपना page number 45 खोलो. Isn't it? हाँ. I think Julie is ready with the answer. We'll wait, Julie. If Ved Prakash doesn't say, you can tell the answer. Ved Prakash?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you tell something. Even if it is wrong, no problem. You talk. Tell me.
Can you repeat, ma'am, question?
Open page 45 of your book.
No, ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. Who can tell the answer?
45 fifth. I don't know.
Durgesh? Yes? Try. No problem. Try.
45th, ma'am.
45th of your book.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It is actually open your book to page number 45. Because you cannot
Yes.
open page
Yeah.
45, no? You have to open
Yeah,
your
ma'am.
book first. So, open your book to page number 45. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
fine. Yeah. It's okay. Okay. Now, Ved Prakash, one more sentence for you. George
Yes,
swimmed
ma'am.
on Saturday.
Ma'am.
George swimmed on Saturday.
Ma'am, somebody waiting, ma'am.
Yes, Balram. Balram is ready.
Waiting, ma'am, other person. They are
George
not
swimmed
joined.
on. Okay. They
Classroom,
will
ma'am.
join. Madam is there. They will make her join. Someone is in lobby. They are texting. Okay. I think ma'am is there. She will allow them to join. Okay, Balram, can you correct the sentence? George swimmed on Saturday.
George swim on Saturday. George swim on the Saturday.
Swim.
Right?
Saturday.
Yeah, or not?
It is past tense. You have to use past tense. So George swam on Saturday. Okay. No word called swimmed. Swim, swam, swum. So George swam on Saturday.
Saturday.
Fine.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now the next one is Manish
Yes,
or
ma'am.
Surabhi Kumari. Manish is ready. Okay, Manish. Could you please send me these informations?
What, ma'am?
Your friends are asking or your teacher is asking, could you please send me these informations?
Could you send me this information?
Yes. Could you please send me these informations?
Ma'am, Please, can
Yes,
you send me this information?
information.
Yes, information.
Why informations we cannot add? Why should we write only information?
Because, ma'am, in the information is, can I understand in Hindi?
Yeah, bolo, bolo.
Ma'am, सूचना information like that, something सूचना, like Hindi meaning is सूचना, and सूचना information has not a single.
Ah,
We
very
have,
good, very
uh,
good, Manish.
we
Like
have,
this only you have to correlate. Okay, you know Hindi better, तो correlate it in English. सूचना, information को सूचना कहते हैं. सूचना तो एक तरह की नहीं होता है,
yes,
ज्यादा
ma'am.
होता है. तो इसलिए एस नहीं ऐड करना. Could you please send that information or this information? Okay, that's
Yes,
all.
ma'am.
Okay. Now I'm just going to give you a small a topic to talk.
Okay,
One
ma'am.
person will start and others will continue,
Okay, ma'am.
right?
Ma'am,
It's like
actually, I have
storytelling.
ma'am,
Yes, Durgesh,
actually, ma'am, I have a topic. I want to everybody share our opinion on this topic, ma'am.
you want everybody to
Everybody share our opinion on this topic, ma'am. I have on topic.
share opinion on this topic.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what is the topic?
Ma'am, actually, topic is uh, what is the
हाँ, हिंदी
important
में
in our
बोलो.
life? No, no, ma'am.
What is?
What is the important in our life? Self-confident or knowledge?
What is important in our life? Self-confidence or knowledge?
Knowledge.
So you want to have a debate on this
Yes, ma'am.
or tell their opinion about it.
Mm.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Durgesh will start. Just tell me two sentences. What is important in our life? Whether it is self-confidence. If you are going to talk about self-confidence, two sentences. Or if you are going to tell about knowledge, you will say knowledge. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Start.
Actually, ma'am, according to me, ma'am, both are required for us. But I choose self-confidence.
Okay,
If you
fine.
have self-confidence, if you have self-confidence, you will make automatically knowledgeable person.
You will try to get the knowledge.
Yes,
Correct?
ma'am. If you
Okay.
have
You will
not
try to get the knowledge.
yeah,
Fine. Good.
if you have not self-confidence, you cannot get you cannot do anything
You
because you will
cannot do
not try to
anything.
anything, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You will not try to learn anything. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So you are choosing
According to me,
self-confidence because
according to me, self-confidence is better than both are better, but according to me, self-confidence is better than knowledge, ma'am.
okay, fine. Okay. Now next, Manish,
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
share?
Yes, ma'am.
Manish can say.
I think, ma'am, very important thing is knowledge, because of any person has better knowledge, then automatically he is better self confidence. That is, if
Okay.
I am saying like that, if I am going to Delhi, so I know about how to go to Delhi. I know that by train, bus. If nobody person is knowing that by bus and also traveling like train, bus, flights, he is not knowing this, so he has no any confidence to talk about this. So if knowledge is
One minute,
has
Manish.
knowledge,
Sorry to interrupt. Aili has no confidence. You used two negatives, right? So you will
no,
use only one.
yes,
One.
ma'am. If anybody
Yes.
has knowledge, then he has better self confidence, and anybody has no knowledge, so he has, as compared to knowledge person, he has lack of self confidence, I think.
Okay. So you are opting for knowledge. Only when a knowledge can make a person
First priority,
more
yes, ma'am.
self-confident.
Yes, ma'am. According to me,
Correct?
first priority is knowledge, then self confidence is
Self
automatically came down.
Automatically self-confidence can be built.
Yes,
Correct?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, very good,
But
Manish.
ma'am,
Uh,
but ma'am,
okay, wait. Let them tell their opinion. Yuvraj, Durgesh, you have to wait because you cannot force your own opinion to others. Let them also come out with their
sorry, ma'am.
opinions.
Okay,
Okay,
okay.
fine. No problem. Yuvraj or Julie, whoever is there. Julie,
Ma'am, I'm also
yes.
about the knowledge because in my view, if we have knowledge, then we build our self confidence too. But we don't have knowledge, then no self confidence is working.
Okay. Okay. Then you can add upon the same points only you're telling, no? You think about it and then you can add upon why knowledge is so important. You can give some examples.
Ma'am, for build our self confidence, we have to knowledge how to build self confidence, and we are searching many times how to build our self confidence regarding English and something. So I think that we have knowledge is much required than the self
Okay.
confidence.
Hello,
Okay.
excuse
So
me,
you
ma'am.
are okay. Okay. Yes, Takir. Now, who's that? Durgesh. Durgesh wants to
Yes.
say something. Yes, Durgesh.
Hello, ma'am.
Actually,
Siddharth. Who's that wants to take?
Ma'am, I,
Who's
Siddharth,
that?
yeah.
Yeah, Siddharth.
Can I,
Yes,
ma'am,
Siddharth.
say,
But,
can I say something, ma'am?
but
Yes, after Siddharth, Balram will say.
ma'am,
Yes,
I
Siddharth.
want to say that without knowledge or without confidence, both are useless. Without
Without
anyone,
knowledge,
or without confidence. If we have knowledge and if we have not confidence, then these are useless. If we have confidence
no,
and
no,
but we have not knowledge,
But we have
no.
knowledge,
if
but who is
we can
first?
build our
But we
self
has,
confidence.
Durgesh,
but what is
sorry,
first?
Siddharth,
yes,
Durgesh
ma'am.
was asking about two things. Which one you need, which one should be given priority? Is it knowledge or the self-confidence? That is what we are talking about. Without these two,
Ma'am,
which
I
will
say,
be useless? Yes,
ma'am, but it is contradiction,
yes.
ma'am, because we cannot say that single one is important. Both are useless. Both are use of
Ma'am,
on
Both
place.
are,
Use
both
on
are,
place. If you both have use on their own place, because if we have
okay.
knowledge,
Yes,
if we have knowledge and knowledge, we can say that knowledge is a product of reason. How we can say that confidence is that, ma'am, I could say that knowledge and confidence both are needed. I cannot say that simply that confidence is more important or knowledge is more important. I'm
okay,
in
okay.
between both.
So according to Siddharth, knowledge
ma'am,
and self-confidence both are required. Okay. Yes,
ma'am,
Balram. Yes,
ma'am.
Durgesh.
Manish and Julie are saying knowledge is better than confidence. But ma'am, actually, ma'am, can I say in Hindi?
हाँ
Okay,
बोलो.
then yes, I can't say that knowledge is better than self confidence. I just prefer knowledge because,
Yes,
in my view,
ma'am.
knowledge is most important.
हाँ, Durgesh.
Yes, ma'am.
And Julie. Here, this is the platform where you are expressing yourself. Right.
Yes,
It
yes, ma'am.
can be a knowledge or
Ma'am,
it
ma'am.
can be a
Hello.
self-confidence. It is only the way you are going to come forward or put it in the action, put it into action. This
Yes, ma'am.
platform is for you to express in English. Whatever you know,
Okay,
you are expressing in English. Right. Okay, Durgesh.
okay, ma'am. Mm, ma'am,
Ma'am,
आप हिंदी में बोलो.
okay,
ma'am,
ma'am.
क्या मैं बोलूँ?
हाँ बोलो दुर्गेश.
Ma'am, okay, okay, ma'am. When I was study in 12th class, ma'am,
Yeah.
तो एक प्रोग्राम हुआ था मैम, मुझे उसमें स्पीच
हाँ
देनी थी।
ठीक है.
मैंने रात भर स्पीच को पूरी तरह से प्रिपेयर किया था मैम। मेरे पास बहुत
किया
ज़्यादा
था.
नॉलेज था, मैं उसे अच्छे से बोल सकता था।
ठीक है.
लेकिन मेरे साथ क्या हुआ मैम, जब मैं स्टेज पर गया, मेरे पास काफ़ी नॉलेज था इस स्पीच के बारे में,
अच्छा.
मैंने पूरी तरह से उसे प्रिपेयर भी किया था। लेकिन जब
ठीक है.
मैं स्टेज पर पहुँचा तो मैम मैं बोल नहीं पाया, मैं भूल गया, एवरीथिंग फॉरगेट आफ्टर गो टू स्टेज मैम।
क्योंकि
देन मैं उस
कॉन्फिडेंस
दिन
नहीं
से
था आपको.
नहीं था मैम। मेरे पास
हाँ
कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था, तो उस दिन से मैंने चुना कि अगर ऐसे अभी सुनिए ना, सोचिए ना मैम कि हम
हाँ
इंग्लिश अच्छे से नहीं जानते हैं, लेकिन फिर भी
ठीक है
अच्छे से इंग्लिश बोल रहे थे। क्यों? क्योंकि
हाँ
हमारे पास सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस है।
हाँ
क्योंकि हमारे पास सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस है, इसी के थ्रू हम लोग इंग्लिश में बात कर पा रहे हैं इधर, है ना?
ठीक है
तो मैम
हाँ
अकॉर्डिंग टू मी सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस इज बेटर देन, अगर आपके पास सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाता है तो आप किसी भी चीज को नॉलेज कर सकते हैं। पहले आपके अंदर होना चाहिए कि नहीं मुझे करना है ये।
हाँ अपने
पहले
आप
यस
पहले
मैम।
मैम
अपना
मैम एक्सक्यूज मी
अपने
मैम,
आप पर विश्वास रखना है कि
एक्सक्यूज
but
मी
हम
मैम,
मैं
but
कर
यस
ma'am
सकती
ma'am
हूँ
ma'am
या
ma'am
मैं कर
no
मैम
ma'am
सकता हूँ।
आई हैव ए क्वेश्चन मैम।
यस
मैं कर
मनीष
सकता हूँ, मैं कर सकता हूँ या आप कर सकते हैं, दिस इज नॉट ए कॉन्फिडेंस, दिस इज योर एम,
yes ma'am yeah
हाँ
perfect
this is
Manish
your
perfect ma'am
aim. If
yes
I,
ma'am
if I ma'am, if I am saying now I am a businessman, मैं businessman बन सकता हूँ, this is not a self confidence, this is aim,
that
our aim
that
is
is not
we
self
want to become
confidence.
a businessman, not a
Manish, aim
yes
is
ma'am,
different and self confidence is different. एम
yes
पूरा
ma'am,
करने के लिए अपना आप पर आपको कॉन्फिडेंस होना है, तभी तो आपको एम को
यस मैम।
पूरा कर सकते हैं। ठीक
यस
है,
मैम। यस मैम।
you have to have aim. I want to become an engineer, a topmost UPSC. I have to clear UPSC, or I have to become a best businessman in the world or in India. This is your aim. But for that to
मैम
become that person, you have to develop your self confidence. So how can you develop
ma'am
your self
ma'am
confidence? No, one
ma'am
minute. How can you develop your self confidence? Your self confidence can be developed when you have your knowledge. Understood? Both, all these are interlinked actually. If you have
यस
only self confidence and you don't have knowledge, you cannot talk anything. I have to take
यस
a
मैम।
class means, see, now for taking 1 hour class, I have to sit and prepare at least for 2 hours what I should teach you or how I should make you talk. Understood? I have
yes
self
ma'am,
confidence,
I
lot of self.
ma'am,
yes ma'am
I have
yes ma'am
lot
ma'am
of
ma'am
ma'am,
hello
I
ma'am
one
also
minute.
excuse
said
ma'am
One
excuse me ma'am
minute, Manish, 1 minute. Let me complete it. आई हैव सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, बहुत ज्यादा है मेरा सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस मेरे ऊपर। ठीक है, क्योंकि मुझे हिंदी में भी बोल सकती हूँ, मैं इंग्लिश में भी बोल सकती हूँ। लेकिन अगर कंटेंट नहीं है तो क्या बोलना है, व्हाट आई हैव टू टॉक, व्हाट आई हैव टू
yes ma'am perfect
मोटिवेट यू टू टॉक। सो इफ आई डोंट हैव नॉलेज, आई कैन नॉट succeed in my class today. Understood? So my
यस
self
यस मैम।
confidence and knowledge both are to be interlinked.
Ma'am,
But
I already
knowledge,
said same things, ma'am. But I am giving an example. मैं एग्जांपल दिया था कि मुझे
yes,
दिल्ली जाना है और मुझे पता है कि बाय ट्रेन, बाय फ्लाइट, बाय बस दिल्ली जा सकते हैं यहाँ
yes,
से। लेकिन अगर
yes.
मुझे पता ही नहीं रहेगा कि बस से जाना है या ट्रेन से जाना है, तो वो तो
तो कहा
फिर वो हमें नॉलेज ही नहीं है ना वहाँ। फिर हम किस
Ma'am,
वही
ma'am
फिर
already
वही
said
मैं
about
बोल
this.
रही हूँ।
Ma'am, knowledge.
Ma'am already said about
Yes,
this, Manish.
yes,
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 ma'am. This
Julie.
is I am
That's
also
what
I am not satisfied that I am not saying self confidence is not better. I am just
yes.
saying knowledge is better, much more better. But then after self confidence, if both
You have
we
to have
have
both
knowledge
at
and
par.
lack of self confidence, then that is a very big problem. Then I
Uh,
think I am only saying, ma'am, if knowledge is better, then self confidence also build up, and we have to try to, if I am not speaking in somewhere like public palace, then that is not big problem, because of many person like 100 people has given to a task to public sector to speak something, then 5 to 6% speak frankly, because of that is something, because every person is knowing about how to speak that, how to create that. But some surrounding area and environment is a main factor that. So I am not saying the self-confidence is not good. I am also saying
Ma'am,
knowledge is better.
मैम
conclusion.
मैम may I say something?
okay,
मैम
okay. Durgesh, this is I just put an end to this topic because
ओके।
self-confidence and knowledge both are equally needed. Unless you
यस
have a
मैम।
knowledge about anything to talk about, or as he said, I want to go to Delhi, right? Where I can use my knowledge. I want to reach Delhi and I have to do some duties tomorrow means I have to think wisely. I have to use my knowledge. in which mode of transport I should use. Right? I can go by bus, I can go by train, I can go by flight. But tomorrow I have to reach and do my duty means I have to think, use my knowledge that I have to travel by aeroplane. Understood? They
But
that
ma'am,
is
I have
how
one more
your
example.
knowledge that is how your knowledge will come to your help. Okay. Now, many
Ma'am,
of you
Ma'am,
know,
I have
like
more examples. Ma'am, I have one
no,
examples.
no.
Ma'am,
One
may I
minute,
say?
1 minute, Durgesh. 1 minute.
Okay, ma'am.
I just wanted you to tell me, some people, tell anecdotes. Can you tell me what is anecdote?
Anecdote?
Yeah, what is an anecdote? You might have heard anecdote. Write an anecdote about. So, what is an anecdote? Can anyone tell me?
Don't know, ma'am.
Anecdote is it can be a small story based on your own life. Um, Something has happened to you, an experiment or an experience in your life or in your friend's life or in somebody's life. That's a small incident is called an anecdote. Okay. You have learned one new word today, anecdote. Anecdote is a small incident which could have been occurred in your own life or in somebody's life. But expressing that in a short form is called an anecdote.
ma'am,
It can be like a story, or it can be like a dialogue, or it can be like a composition writing. Okay,
Anecdote.
okay. Ma'am,
anecdote. Yeah.
ma'am,
Now, so
Ma'am,
when you
can you say a
yes,
spelling of anecdote?
I want to say, I
spelling.
want to know, ma'am,
Yeah,
I
ma'am.
want to know your opinion
One
about
minute,
this topic.
Manish.
I
Manish,
want
1 minute.
to,
Yes.
I want to know your opinion about this topic, which is better, ma'am. So, can
Ma'am,
you tell me
ma'am
in
already
two?
said both are better.
I told no. Both are important. Unless you have your
But
knowledge
ma'am,
uh,
here topic
and
is
self-confidence.
priority matter. So,
Yes,
according to
ma'am. My point was also that. My
Yeah.
point was also, ma'am, that.
You
My
need
point
to
was
have
also that, ma'am.
both.
Both are nil.
Unless if you have only self-confidence and you don't have knowledge, you cannot succeed in
Yes,
your
ma'am.
life. So you
Yes,
have
ma'am.
to
Yes, ma'am.
have both will help. If you have knowledge, that knowledge will help you to develop your self-confidence. If you have self-confidence, that will help you to learn. It will give an urge. It will make you learn many things down from the root. Learning from the top is not very important. You have to go deep into it and learn anything. So both are at par. You have to use it
But
both
ma'am,
in a
priority is knowledge, I think.
priority is knowledge.
No, no, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Uh,
Yes, ma'am.
it
Self-confidence.
Priority
differs.
is knowledge.
The perspective is different from each person to person. Right.
Yes, ma'am. I
I'll
support
give
your
you one
statement,
minute.
ma'am.
I'll give you my own self example. I had a lot of very good knowledge. Okay. And but I was having, as Durge said, I was very frightened to talk in front of any people on the stage.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Even after serving 20 years in KV, I was not ready to come in on the stage and talk anybody. Behind the stage, I used to work a lot. But a principal came. He said that year I was co-curricular activities in charge. In KVs, we have all one department. So CCA is one department where we have to conduct many competitions among the children, and we have to make judges and give result sheets. We have to announce in the front, and any program for that whole year has to be conducted only by the CCA in charge. Right. But I was not ready to come forward to the stage. But that principal, he said, only the CCA in charge will come to the stage and talk. None of the other persons will come and talk. Till then, very few teachers are only taking this chance on the stage. So, but by force, I was forced to talk on the stage. So, very first day, I had to sit at least 4 to 5 hours and prepare my speech. And next day I went, I had a paper like this and I used to see this and read. Okay, but the same after 2 3 programs, I threw away the paper. I just took a small paper where I had to write the quotes, and then I started developing my own self confidence. But the knowledge which I had helped me to excel in my speech on the stage. So do you understand, Durgesh? Both are needed. So knowledge
Yes,
is
ma'am.
also
Both are.
needed. I unless and otherwise that principal didn't force me, I wouldn't have come forward. I would have been at the back of the stage only. I would have been giving all the instructions and making others only do. But by force, I came to the stage, and the knowledge I had helped me to overcome my fear. Okay,
Yes,
Uh,
ma'am.
right?
Okay, ma'am.
yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Uh,
But ma'am,
yes.
you have knowledge there.
Yes,
That's why you are
Julie.
you built your self confidence.
Yeah, that's why I told no. Because I didn't have self confidence, I was not ready to come forward. But once I started building my self confidence, that knowledge came to my help. Where I have to use this quote, where I have to use a humorous way of talking. Simply, if
Ma'am.
I talk, it'll bore.
And if
It'll
I
get
have
bored.
self confidence, I can do it.
So you
If
have
Yes.
to
I know,
have
Yes.
both. You have to have knowledge and self
Yes, ma'am.
confidence. Okay. Yeah, fine. Now, the same thing I was telling you about anecdote, and the spelling is Julie Kumari. ANEC, anecdote. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
ANEC, dot. So, anecdote. So, when you start telling about your anecdote, the first you have to have some ideas, isn't it? What you are going to talk about in an anecdote. So that ideas you have to have it in your mind before talking, or you can first take down in a paper what are the things you are going to tell, when it happened, where it happened, how it happened, right? So when I start the anecdote, normally when we start a story, even your father or mother, somebody, grandma, when they start a story, पुराने दिन में ऐसे शुरू करते हैं, या once upon a time, normally the story starts like that, isn't
Yes,
it? So we will just do away with that once upon a time, because it's an old tradition. Now let's start about first of all, right? It can be something about like last week we had a party. So I want to talk about the party we had in our house. So first of all, we had planned for a
Ma'am. Hello. Hello.
Students, please wait. Ma'am is joining.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Students, I think ma'am will not be able to join because her power has gone, current is gone. Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
we'll wind up today's class. The next class, ma'am will come and meet you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.